Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss the topic in gravitational motion is what is free fall. Now we first write the definition of free fall. What is the free fall? Free fall is the motion of an object under the effect of gravitational force only. In other words, when the only force acting on an object is gravity, the object is said to be in free fall. Now we discuss the topic that is the artificial gravity. Why we create the artificial gravity? We know that an astronaut feel weight less in space ship which is moving with uniform circular motion around the earth in space. Artificial gravity help astronaut to stay long time in space. Now we discuss how the artificial gravity is created. Artificial gravity can be created in space. The most common method is through the centrifugal force. Now we discuss the rotating spacecraft is used for creating the artificial gravity. If a spacecraft is designed to rotate, then centrifugal force from the rotation can simulate gravity for object and people inside. The spinning motion creates a force that pushes object outward toward the wall, which would perceive as gravity. It is all about how the artificial gravity is created. First method that is used is the rotating spacecraft. Now we discuss the topic in rotational motion that is the satellite. What is the satellite? A satellite is any object which revolves around another object. A satellite has two types. One is one is natural satellite. Other one is artificial satellite. Now we discuss the definition of natural satellite and artificial satellite. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth and is kept in orbit by the attraction of the earth gravity and by its motion. Now discuss the artificial satellite and Artificial satellite is an object made by and put into orbit by human. Now we discuss the types of the artificial satellite. Here we discuss the three types of the artificial satellite. First one is the communication satellite. Provide a world provide a worldwide link up of television, telephone, and radio. Navigation satellite are mainly intended to help determine the position of aircraft, submarine, and ship with great accuracy. Weather satellite help scientists to study weather pattern and forecast the weather. That is the types of the artificial satellite, communication satellite, navigation satellite, and weather satellite.